Okay, there's two different ways you can take your Petcock off your Yamaha motorbike. The first one is with the gas tank on. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have your fuel line. So like this, you're gonna have to unhook it from the carburetor here, down here, and the Petcock up here. And then there's two screws. I've already loosened mine up. If you can get them off without much pressure, then you can just take these two screws out, just like this. I'll do it real fast for you since they're already undone. Make sure your gas tank is empty while doing this. Don't lose your screws. So you're gonna take them off. There's the Phillips head screwdriver. And then it'll come out. You can see underneath there's two holes. That's where it just came out of. You'll just take your new one and then you will put it right back up in there, and then just put those two screws back on. Don't forget your gasket. You have a little black gasket, this black piece right here. You just put it up in there. Sorry, trying this one-handed. Put it in there. Just tighten them back up, hand tight, and then you're good to go. If you have any questions, let me know. If you can't get it off that easy, then watch my next video on how to take the seat and everything off.